Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to try this one, Bilberry wheel cleaner, and I don't know which rim that is dirtiest, but let's see here which one is dirtiest. Probably the other side, so we are going to test it on, let's see, let's try it on this one. Will Bilberry wheel cleaner from valetpro clean this mess up? The Bilberry wheel cleaner from valetpro. What do you like the results? Well, we missed a little bit here with a high pressure pump, but well, I'm impressed, and it's cheaper than Dragon's Breath, and we will do a comparison between Bilberry and Dragon's Breath. So hope you enjoyed that video, and see you guys in the next one.